Made my first binagoongan for the first time, so cook with me. Hi mga dear, cook with me today, and oh my god, I think this is gonna be my first cooking video, and today's lunch, I'm gonna cook for the first time pork binagoongan. This is actually a request from Chicken, and if you guys didn't know, I love cooking so much, and also, it's actually my love language to all the people I'm close with, so if ever I'm gonna get a future boyfriend, you're gonna be lucky. Check! Okay, so I found a recipe online. This is from Recipes by Jazz. I'm gonna follow it na lang, and I'm just gonna mise en place. So today, I'm gonna fry first this eggplant para iset aside na lang natin siya mamaya. Okay, we're done frying our talong. It's fried in a perfect way. Check. Okay, so I have here the pork. This is menudo cut, which is perfect size for the pork binagoongan! So, papansid lang muna natin tong pork para crispy siya after. Okay, wait lang natin siya until mag-golden brown and I'll be right back. Bantayan nyo ha. Binabantayan nyo ba? Kita-kita, dear. Check. Okay, now we're done pansearing the pork. Ang daming angle! Okay, so I'm going to start with our aromatics. Aromatics! I don't know kung ano inuuna nyo, guys. Are you guys team garlic first or onion first? Put our 1 tomato. And now we're gonna put the main character, which is the bagoong. And I don't know kung ilang scoops. Bilangin na lang natin. So, I guess 1, 2. I think that's enough. And then now we're gonna put our pork. Put thyme and pepper. Then while it's cooking, I'm gonna put a sitaw para sabay na siyang maluto. And let's just leave it there ng mga, vamos si dice, 1 to 2 minutes. Tawagin tayo ng ancestor natin. Check. Tama ba to? Bakit parang hindi siya ganun sa picture? Bakit parang gusto ko na lang siyang gawing Bicol Express? Parang may chance pa. Parang gagataan na lang eh. Okay, so hinalo ko na yung talong. And dear, look at it. Ah! Hello. Look, luto na.
Wow!
Say hi. Okay, sige. Okay, so let's just wait for Chicken and wait for his final verdict. Chicken is here.
Hi! First time mo magluto ng binagoongan?
Yeah. Feeling ko dapat alamang. I know, but the regular one from Palengke.
Mas masarap kasi ito. Maalat kasi yung alamang sa palengke.
Gets.
Request ko kasi itong binagoongan sa kanya kasi I've been craving this for so long.
Okay, taste test. I'm nervous. Really ba? Actually, I'm thinking for what a better name for this series kasi parang I wanna do it more often. May naisip ako, I think I'm gonna call it Me Cooking Ina, Miko Cooking. Gets ba? But I don't know, suggest me. Para kasi akong nagiging mukhang komedyante na I wanna try to make it more aesthetic. Pero parang komedyante na lang kaya ako.